Welcome to one of Strigon's milling machine assembly facilities, where we will present a moving table machining center that is ready for shipment. The machine is equipped with a CNC-controlled movable table made of steel casting, 2 meters wide and 4 meters long. The machine has a rotary table with a tailstock, enabling continuous workpiece rotation, is installed at the end of the machine table. An orthogonal tilting head is mounted on the machine ram, with controlled C and B axes actuated, enabling flexible and high-quality machining. The machine is equipped with a Siemens C-numeric 1 control system and top-quality Siemens motors. Operator-friendly design was a key priority throughout, so an overhead camera system above the control panel supports the operator's work. The excellent accuracy in all axes is ensured by a Heidenhain measuring system. The precise and high-quality design therefore enables highly accurate machining operations. The machine is also equipped with an automatic tool changer, which supports the operator quickly and reliably during machining. All of our machines are equipped as standard, with an air-conditioned electrical cabinet and dual-chip conveyor systems. The machine also has automatic tool and workpiece probing systems. These systems also support precise and fast machining operations. This machine will soon start production at the site of one of our key international multinational partners. Strigon not only manufacture machines, we provide tailored machining solutions. If you want to develop your production in the long term with a reliable machine, contact us today. Precision you can count on. Quality we guarantee.